Interactive touchscreens aren't just flashy. They're quietly revolutionizing museums, children's education spaces, and event venues. Today, let's explore how you can make the most of them. In museums, science centers, and corporate exhibition halls, interactive touchscreens play a vital role in exploration-based storytelling. Whether showcasing cultural artifacts, scientific breakthroughs, or brand milestones, visitors can simply tap the screen to freely explore detailed information and uncover the stories behind each exhibit. Through dynamic timelines, 3D models, and immersive content, touchscreens guide visitors step by step through the evolution of each subject, turning a passive tour into an active journey of discovery. In children's learning and entertainment spaces, interactive touchscreens become the perfect tools for learning through play. Puzzle games, word matching, and interactive quizzes keep children engaged while they learn without even realizing it. Better yet, these activities encourage collaboration, with kids working together to complete challenges and build teamwork skills. Learning becomes natural. Playing becomes educational. Interactive touchscreens bring cultural storytelling to life, make education more fun, and create stronger engagement at every event. Technology and experience, just one touch away. Which application would you love to experience first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.